One of our mandates at Dynamis Church is a life of prayer. It is when you pray that you start a conversation with God every single day, in every situation and in every environment. It is when we pray that we partner with Him in discovering and hearing His perfect will, so that we can just come and obey and submit and execute His perfect will in every situation and in every environment. It is when we pray that our faith increases and arises, and we become pleasers of God and not pleasers of man, and not pleasers of our own fleshly desires. It is when we pray that the God of heaven answers our prayers, the God of the extraordinary, the God of the supernatural, and the God of the unusual. It is through prayer that we trust that we will see His kingdom come, and that we will see His will be done on earth as it is in heaven. So I want to challenge you and encourage you and welcome you to join us in a lifestyle of prayer.